Alright fellas, today we're going underneath my car to take a look at the suspension. So right now we're looking at the driver's side, and specifically we're looking at the sway bar inlet. Alright, so let me explain what's going on here. Highlighted in red right here, this is the stabilizer bar. This runs from passenger side to driver's side along the front of your car, and the idea is it's just supposed to stop your car from tilting too much when you're going around turns. Highlighted here is the lower control arm. You have one of these on each side of the car, and this just connects the wheels to the frame of the car. Connecting these two things is your end link, and it just bolts onto the stabilizer bar on one end and bolts onto the control arm on the other end. And this end link is in decent shape. It's connected to both the sway bar and the control arm. Nothing looks too broken. It's definitely old, but everything's connected, nothing's moving around. Not too bad. Alright, now we're going to take a peek under the passenger side of the car, and let's see how this end link is doing. And it is connected to the control arm and very much not connected to the sway bar. So that is a problem. So let's see if we can't fix that up with just a little bit of duct tape. Alright, we're taking a look at my professional level duct tape job. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty good. I don't see why this wouldn't work.
Alright, let's go for a drive and see how it holds up.
Alright, let's take a look and see if it held up. And it very much did not hold up. So that concludes it. You cannot fix your car suspension with duct tape. This gets a thumbs down, and stay tuned for a video where I fix it properly.